Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen bubble pen. First, prepare your skin by cleansing it thoroughly to remove any makeup or impurities. Next, ensure your oxygen pen is fully charged for uninterrupted use. Finally, attach the desired serum cartridge firmly to the device, making sure it clicks into place. Now, let's talk about application. Hold the oxygen pen at a comfortable 45-degree angle against your skin. Gently glide the pen in upward and outward motions, covering your entire face and neck. Maintain even pressure to ensure the serum is delivered consistently across the treatment area, maximizing its benefits. For optimal results, each treatment session should last between 5 and 10 minutes. We recommend using your oxygen bubble pen 2 to 3 times per week. Consistency is key, but always listen to your skin. If you notice any sensitivity, you might reduce the frequency slightly until your skin adjusts. After your treatment, apply a nourishing moisturizer to lock in the benefits and soothe your skin. For maintenance, always clean the pen's tip with an alcohol wipe after each use to ensure hygiene. Store your oxygen bubble pen in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to prolong its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.